Good morning. My name is Miss Mutru, and today I am here to teach you a lesson on sound effects. But first, we must set basic rules for today's class. Shh! Show respect by being silent when someone else is speaking. Share your thoughts and ideas by raising your hand and speaking clearly for everyone to understand your points. And shine by being the best drama student you can be, giving your best, showing your talents, and being a great team player. So, to seal the contract, if you agree with these rules, share and shine, snap your fingers 3 times. Now your turn. One more time. Nice. Now that we've agreed to our rules, we can begin our lesson on sound effects. Shh! For the set induction, you must listen carefully. Look at the next 4 slides, pay attention to the story being told, and try to figure out what created that sound effect. Can you guess what was used to create the sound effects in the slides? Let's discuss. Hey, where did the light go? Students, okay, don't panic. I'm going to see if there's another light switch in the class. Ow. I'm okay. Oh, there we go.